Hi there. If you're in real estate, you know how frustrating it is to qualify leads and enter them into CRM manually. If you need a faster, smarter way to manage leads, you will find today's video very helpful. In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit real estate leads to your CRM using online web forms and automate data entry. So without any ado, let's get started. First, create a form to collect lead details like name, phone number, budget, and property type. So for this tutorial, I'm using Formester. Let's click on new form. And here you can search for lead generation and you can use the free templates, or you can start from scratch, or you can use the AI form generator. Let's start from scratch. Let's rename this form to be real estate lead form, and to add fields, simply click on add elements, and in Formester all these fields are available in the free plan itself. So I have prepared the form. We have the name, we have email, and we have the phone, and we are asking them, are you looking to buy, sell, or rent a property? If they select buy, then I'm going to ask what is their budget range, and are you pre-approved for a mortgage, and when do you plan to make a purchase. If they select sell, then I want to show what is the estimated value and how do you want to sell. Now let's use conditional logic to show or hide fields based on the respondent's answer to this question. To do that, simply head over to advanced, and under form control click on rules, and here you can create with AI or we can create manually. So let's create one manually, and let's select the question, are you looking to is equal to buy a property. Then I want to show the fields. What is your budget range? Are you pre-approved for a mortgage? And when do you plan to make a purchase? Likewise, if they select sell a property, then I want to show what is the estimated value of your property and how soon do you want to sell. Let's hit save and let's preview this. And as you can see, the fields are hidden. If I select buy a property, then these fields will show up. If I select sell a property, then those fields will disappear and the new ones will show up. Now let's quickly customize the theme of this form. Let's head over to design, and here you can change pretty much everything about this form. Let's select a pre-built theme. Let's go with this one. Now let's set up a redirect. So after the person fills out this form, they will be redirected to a specific page. To do that, simply click on the thank you page and then click on the thank you field. Head over to advanced and toggle on redirect to a website. Here we can set the redirect delay to be, let's say, 3 seconds, and we can give the redirect URL over here. Now let's hit publish. Now let's connect this form to a CRM such as Zoho CRM or HubSpot or even Notion. So whenever a lead fills out this form, all their information gets automatically sent to the CRM. To do that, simply head over to automate and then head over to integration. Then here search for the CRM. In this case, we'll use Notion. Let's create a workflow, and this will redirect me to Zapier where I can create a workflow. So I have created a database in Notion, which we will be using as the CRM. So we have the buyer database, seller database, and renter. And if we click on buyer, all the fields are mapped over here. All the necessary information are over here. Now all we have to do is map the submission responses from the form into the Notion CRM. So first we'll select the form. Let's search for the form and then click continue. Then test trigger, and it will ask you to carry out a test submission. So I have carried out a test submission. Let's just continue with the selected record, and it will take you to the action where you can select the action as create database item and select the account, then click continue. And in the configure, we can select the database, and then here we can map all the information from the form. So I have mapped all the data. Let's click continue and let's test the step, and then hit publish. And there you go. Wherever a buyer fills out that form, their responses will be stored in the buyer database. Now, instead of having 3 different databases, you can just shrink this into a single database and have a field called customer type, and map it as buyer, seller, or renter. And from there on, you can reach out to the leads based on they are, what kind of customer they are. So I'm in the buyer database. As you can see, their responses are over here. So that's it for this short tutorial. Now you can focus on closing deals instead of sorting leads. Your CRM will always be up to date with qualified leads, and you'll never miss an opportunity. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to create this kind of a form and test this feature out, make sure to use the link in the description. And as always, I will see you in the next video.